Hi, I'm Peppino and Chef Da Vinci restaurant, Realty Chef, and I want to show you how it's classical make a Bolognese, like a meat sauce that you're gonna make home, like a mother food. All right, I want to start the first things. Heat the pan. You need the two pan, one for vegetable, one for meat. And once you start on the home, you always make sure the pan is good heat, no superheated to burning oil. You want to make it nice, cook nice vegetable coming nice slowly. It's not too heavy to burning. Then I'll show you how you cook the meat, how put together. All right, and this pan almost very close to hot. It take depend how pan you're using home. It's sometimes thin pan, but make sure when you make bolognese, it's a nice thick pan. It will take 3 hours to cook. When you may use the thin pot is the burning. It's then you waste your time or waste your money, everything. And I'll show you. This is like a nice thick pan. Okay, and we start with the nice olio extravergine in the pan. And I start here. All right, this is straight. When done, I start in a. It's almost done. Start garlic. Okay, nice. You always start with garlic. If you left raw garlic, its flavor comes so like raw, the garlic flavor. You need little brown garlic, not too heavy brown, and just like a zing, like at least 1 minute, and you do the garlic. When done, it's almost, you see the nice color come the garlic? It's like a little brown color. Then add a carrot, and then you add some white onion, Spanish onion, and then the celery. All right, start nice. It's not sticky too much, and take like 4 or 5 minutes. Depend on the house. Once you cook for the home, it's totally different. The kitchen, like a restaurant, is very strong, like stove, and the house is like a little, like lighter. That's why you keep an eye. It's coming nice brown. And then the second pan, we start this one. I put a little, not too high, like a nice medium temperature right now. I don't want burning to vegetable. Then start with the meat. Meat is always make sure it's a nice hard pan. And then when you do the ground beef, you can use beef. You can do like the pork chew, veal, any meat, ground meat you have make a bolognese. It's not only for beef. What do you like to eat? Even do lamb too. Like some people like lamb, some know I eat beef, some know eat like pork. And you can do lamb too. You can do any meat you like. And put gloves on when you touch the meat. Make sure and keep gloves with you. Okay, then we get the olio extravergine in a pot. All right. Then this is the ground beef. Before you put a pot inside, break up. Otherwise it comes like so a lumpy piece. You want nice all separate, right? And then already we'll meat inside. Okay, it's like turned over. Make sure everything's separate. This way you do the restaurant. When I make my sauce, I always start high. Once start boiling, put it low. Better you make anything slowly, but so it's don't put too much time to put high heat. Let me rush go home. It's always food comes perfectly when you cook slow. It's very close. Few minutes more, the meat will be ready. Okay, now I want to start with the sea salt. The sea salt and the black pepper. The black pepper better use fresh. Buy some at the store like peppercorn. Get some the coffee machine like coffee grinder. It's better make fresh. Fresh is always good flavor. You buy the pepper like in the store or the grind, it's no give you any flavor. Your meat, you want to see the breakup, all nice, that's what you do and make home. This is when your family, your friend come home. If you want to make bolognese, start early. When your friend coming, make bolognese, do some pasta, enjoy everybody, See the nice color come vegetable? That's what you need. No burning, no low cook. It's beautiful. You take like 3 hours, you cook inside the sauce. And they come beautiful, soft. You see the meat coming nice? Sorry. Okay. The meat, everything put inside. All the juice, all the meat. You're gonna nice mix together. Make sure everything mixes nicely, you know, like all the vegetable go in flavor inside the meat. The last second you put the wine. When you put the wine, put a high heat a little. It's like you're gonna cook some wine. If you put raw wine and all vegetable together or like tomato sauce, it's the flavor come raw. The wine in Perry put to cook like inside the sauce. You see, nice Vino Rosso is the red wine. You want to buy any store. My Bolognese, I don't put any like bay leaf or parsley. My Bolognese is like mother food. You make like homemade mother food. I don't want to do any spicy. Only my spicy is salt and pepper. That's it. This is my ingredient, very important. A nice fresh vegetable and salt and pepper. Okay, now you see the nice boiling, cooking wine very well. You see all separate. The color comes so beautiful. It's not like juicy, but not dry. You cook like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you cook nice wine, get all the flavor come up, you know. And then after 5 minutes, you get some, you need tomato paste. You juice all bay in a plastic spatula. You put all this juice, like tomato inside. And when you put tomato inside, leave it. See, nothing left in the plate. And then you're gonna mix up. Now you're gonna bring it like same used to flame I did it before. You know you want to cook too much, then we should put in the tomato. It's not too high, same medium temperature, you know. You see like come in the beautiful mix up meat and a vegetable and a wine and tomato paste. Right? You can cook nice. It's no. Check the color. You need nice, beautiful red color. It's not too light, and especially tomato paste helps a lot too with the flavor, with everything. This peeled tomato is the Argina brand. Use any tomato. You like the better plum peeled tomato, and put tomato sauce. Already do the machine and grind and put inside. And when you mix up nice, see the color. Once started, nice, near lamp, beautiful color. You know. We like too red, too dark, nice, beautiful light, beautiful red color. All right, and once started boiling, I'm gonna show you how you do after the boiling. Leave it to high heat, and leave to high heat. Then after, I show you how you can do it. You know. Now make sure, like a couple minutes, you're gonna turn over. If you leave a pan, but you don't turn over, they're stuck inside, then you're burning your bolognese. This is especially meat and tomato. You need to keep an eye good. Okay, we started. You see, started nice the boiling bolognese. Then you put a low heat. I show you the heat, like put low, and cook it slowly, and leave it alone, like this way. So you need 3 hours. Just only keep an eye, but like once while come in the kitchen and turn over, and low heat, you all be cook a low heat. Once start boiling, high heat, then put low. That's it. Leave it alone. They're gonna work by itself. All right. It's wait 3 hours. Then we show you how come the bolognese. This is the starting for finish 3 hours, and make sure don't take fat before off. No finish bolognese. Once you all done bolognese, you see how it's beautiful coming. I want to show you all the fat, and you're gonna shut down the stove now, and leave few like a couple seconds, around all the fat is coming up. All right. Make sure don't take fat. This is a secret. If you take fat be off, the flavor don't come as right. I do make. You need the fat. Cook with the fat again. Once you're done, then you take fat off. You see, it's a beautiful color coming. I want to show you. Just take very slowly the fat. Look. Very slowly. You see how much fat coming. This is not fat like it's olive oil, all those things. You know, better. This secret thing I do in my restaurant. All right. Now I want to show you how it's beautiful, classical Bolognese. All right. This is the way. I want to show you them in like a little satay pan. I want to show you how you do the. Take this one. I want to show you that's the color. This is the Bolognese you need. All right, this is the secret. The last take 3 hours. That's it. Thank you so much. Buon appetito.